Hello, YouTubers. While since I've done a video, but thought I'd share something exciting. Well, it's not really a game or anything, but it's something that I'll use for the gaming part. So you won't have any more of these back quality recordings. And here's the box. I already have opened it. I know what it is already, but you guys don't. Ta-da! It's a Canon full 1080p camera. It's not silver. It's red, or I hope it is. So the red one is the one that I wanted. So I can't wait to try this out. Have to read the instructions about what battery to take, if it's rechargeable or what. So I don't know. It's brand new. So it's like a warranty card registry thing. I'll use. I'll probably go online and get do that. A Canon install thing. Something in it. Hopefully there's English in it somewhere. Okay, so that's the stuff that's in the bottom of it. Okay, you got the regular USB and looks like a battery. And the charger for the battery. And the camera. Yay, it is red, not silver. I don't know why they don't have the front one is red, because that's kind of like, at first I thought, oh man, it's gonna be silver, and then it's like, oh shit, it's not. So there she is in the screen. They have a screen, with the dually. Yeah, that's real pathetic. But there she is. And yep, that's what I thought. Okay, that must be where the battery goes. Ah, I've got, like, where, what? I thought this was supposed to have HDMI, and it's like, so, because I only peeled back the USB part, and you have to do it well, that's pretty much everything. I'll do a test video with it. Probably won't do um, too much testing, probably just a minute or two, on full HD 1080p for video. Um, so, next time, hopefully I won't be so long on the video recording now.